Set the tempo somewhere on 125 to 128 BPM. Add a synth chord in the intro. Oh, and if you're wondering how I made my synths and presets, I'm making a video on this on my next video or in the near future, so stay tuned on that, wink wink. Next, add an ARP. Next, add a saw bass. Now let's add a bit of a variation to the chords on the track. Nice. Now let's copy and paste this and add a piano in our verse. Now all we need to do in the build-up part is just add some SFX transitions, impacts, and some build-up snares. I recycled all the instruments I mentioned earlier because I'm lazy. Now let's not forget to swing the track since it's future bounce. Now let's add some plucky chords on the drop. Put some variations on the rhythm and don't be afraid to use some 16th notes, and some syncopations on the note to make it sound more bouncy. The swing that we did earlier make it even more interesting. Now let's add another layer on the drop chords. Now let's reuse our piano earlier and copy-paste the drop chords. And also let's layer this with another drop piano on Nexus to make the sound a bit more complex. Now let's add the drop bass. The drop bass consists of two layers. The first layer focuses on the sub part, and the second layer is more from the mids and high frequencies. Now let's turn on our lead. Our lead consists of 9 layers in total. This consists 1 lead piano for leads and 2 plucky presets from the Silent Factory Bank and 2 music box sample. Now let's add some tape stop on the lead. Put a filter on the lead and let's introduce it on the build-up. A master sidechain for the drop instruments, and some endless smile for the instruments. Now lastly, make a typical house beat. Now in addition, add some anime SFX to make it a kawaii future bounce. You can spam it if you like, but I'm good with just few.
Everything I did was all